I would like to bring up one of those former mayors, Mr. Dave Bing. If you would join me on stage here. I should add, philanthropist, businessman, NBA Hall of Famer, and one of Detroit's greatest citizens, Mr. Dave Bing. Thank you, sir. You bring up Ike when you're ready.
Some dreams come true. I can go back to 1968. I came to Detroit, wasn't born here, but I was raised here. I came here in 1966, and by 1968 is when I learned about this place. I met Sam Washington, and for the first time, I held out signing a contract with the Pistons. And I needed a place to practice. He said, I got just the place for you. Come on here anytime during the day or even at night, I'll let you have a key. And that was the beginning of pro basketball players coming here. My teammate, who was the #1 draft choice in 1967, was Jimmy Walker. And Jimmy and I had a great relationship, even though we played the same position. And we thought one way to expand the game of basketball in the city of Detroit was for pro players, mainly from the Pistons at that time, would come here. He would lead a team, and I would lead a team. And that happened in 1968, and here we are today. I say to you, over 40 players from the metropolitan area here played in this gym. I could go back and name a lot of the guys that you all could relate with. But some of the greatest players across the state, people started coming in, players came in from Indiana, from Chicago, from Cleveland, Ohio, just to play in this place. Sam Washington, I know you're up here looking down on what happened. Before I make my final remarks, I'd like for our former chief of police, who played a significant role in keeping this dream alive. Ike McKinnon, would you come on up with me, please?
I'm not this old now.
Here's a guy who, in his former career, had an unbelievable job trying to keep our city safe. And even after he retired, he's still doing that. And he had part of this dream. And I just want to say to Ike, Earl Curtin, who passed recently, were the guys that embodied what St. Cecilia was all about. So with that, let me turn this mic over to you, Ike.
Thank you. Thank you.